Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have another human hair headband wig, but this is actually not technically a headband wig because this does not come with a headband attached. This is a human hair half wig. So again, if you are new to my channel, I have been featuring a ton of human hair headband wigs since July. So if you haven't already, check out my headband wig playlist. It has human hair ones as well as synthetic ones on that playlist, so check it out. Every price point, every length, texture, it's on that playlist. Check it out. At this point, I'm getting a lot of people saying like, okay, so now I have too many options and I don't know what to choose. Eventually, I'm going to do my favorite headband wigs video, but I have a third quarter favorites where I mentioned some of my favorite headband wigs, so you can watch that video in the meantime. So today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. This is my first time working with them. I initially saw Miss Naturally Mary. If you guys don't know, she's one of my favorite beauty influencers. She did a review on this wig, and at the time I didn't see any human hair half wigs. All of them just had the headbands attached, which I do like, but I wanted to test this out and see how I felt about it. I really liked it on her. So Nadula Hair, they reached out to me and I was like, I want to try the one that she reviewed. So I'm going to read the specs. This is their Afro Curly half wig and it has 150% density. It is a kinky curly texture and I have it in 24 inches. You can choose the hair type. You can get Brazilian, Indian, Malaysian, or Peruvian. I'm going to assume mine is Brazilian, but I'll double check with them. Yeah, so mine is 24 inches and 150% density. And you guys saw, like, in the process of me, like, trying this wig on with a headband, I tried it on with this velvet headband here. And if you like it, I'll have them linked down in the description box for you guys. These are from Amazon. They're going to be Amazon affiliate links. So if you purchase through that link, you are helping out my channel. Yeah, so this was the first time I tried on a velvet headband like that, and it was like too small for this level of volume. I switched it out and I'm using this like head wrap here, and I have it up in a bun and it looks so cute with this hair. I got this head wrap from, I think, Her Given Hair. Like, they sent it in a box, but you can find these kinds of head wraps and stuff everywhere. Just the Dragoness, she sells stuff like this on her website, as well as Deanna Monet's company. I'll try to link those companies down in the description box for you guys, just in case you want something similar. But I feel like this is thicker and it's bold, so it matches the big hair here. So I featured some big hair from a different company like a few days ago, but this is much bigger. But it's a vibe though. I was a little intimidated when I wore it with this, but with the head wrap and then my hoop earrings, I think it looks so good. So I am really feeling that. So I did go ahead and wash this and let it air dry, and then I put some leave-in conditioner on it while it was drying. You can use any that you like. I do have an Amazon wig supply essentials list that you guys can, you know, check it out and see any supplies that you want to use for your wigs that I like to use. I put them on that list. You can shop my Amazon storefront and pick up some hair supplies there. So I let it air dry overnight, and this is what we got going on. I did pick it out some just to give it more volume. This is super, super cute. Now, I'm not gonna be doing a lot of styling and stuff with this because it's already, I know once you start putting it in ponytails and stuff, it's just gonna keep growing. So you can definitely have it in a ponytail, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna wear it all out. If you wanna see other styling and other videos, I have tons of headband wig videos where I style them, but I just wanted to wear it with this headband and be done with it. This is very, very pretty. And for this density and this length, this wig is $190. Very affordable for this much hair, but they do offer other inches as well, starting at 12 inches. Starting at 12 inches and it goes all the way up to 28. Somebody in one of my recent videos was like, can you show the different lengths of all the wigs in each length? Most human hair websites don't do that. I'm just gonna be showing you the length that I have in the video. So I can't show you guys all the lengths. So I think this is so, so pretty. All right, so I switched out my head wrap to this lighter weight scarf here. This is a lightweight scarf that I picked up from Charming Charlie last year before it went out of business in my area. But I think they still have a website. So I think this wig is very beautiful. It's a vibe with this density and this length, but you don't have to get this much hair. You can go with something shorter. Again, their wigs start at 12 inches, and of course it's going to be inexpensive because it's a shorter length. When you get hair this long, I think it's going to be a bit more difficult to style because it's so much hair and so much volume, which is why I'm not doing all those half up and half down styles and ponytails and stuff. I'm just wearing it down as it comes. And if you're gonna wear a regular headband, which you can, because Miss Naturally Mary, I'm pretty sure she had on a burgundy, like a red velvet kind of headband with hers. I don't know if she got 24 inches or not, but I feel like this is such big hair, so I wanted to make sure I got a thick headband or a scarf to kind of balance it out, and I think it looks very good with this wig. Yes, this is really good for fall winter right here. It's toasty in this room because when I'm filming I don't have my air and stuff on, so it's not loud in the video, but this is definitely gonna keep you warm in the cooler months. So I think this is beautiful, a great price. All this hair for $190, and if you go with the shorter length, it's gonna be even cheaper. So, but Nadula Hair, they also sent me a hat wig. I was not expecting them to do that, but they did. So I'm just gonna insert like what that looks like. Yeah, so they sent me their curly hat wig in 20 inches. This is their baseball hat wig with Jerry curl human hair in 20 inches. That wig is only $128. So I feel like sometimes the hat wigs can be a bit gimmicky, and I thought it looked kind of cute on me, but it was a little bit weird on my head. I do know a lot of people like that trend, so I wanted to feature that in this video as well. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sending me that as a gift. Thank you. But I know that's not going to be everybody's taste, but I still wanted to feature that in this video. So if you are interested in that wig, the link to that one will be down below as well. I have seen other people feature hat wigs on their channel, and they look pretty cute. I just had to get used to it because I was like, does this look realistic or not? I'm not completely sold on the hat wigs just yet, but to each his own. I'm just featuring on my channel just in case you might like it. So yeah, so overall I do like this one a lot. And if you are interested in this wig or the curly hat wig, both links will be in the description box. And if I have any coupon codes, that will be listed down below as well. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. I have a ton of content coming for you guys in November. I'm completing my content list and everything and finalizing everything. So stay tuned, a lot of good content coming. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications. And follow me on all of my social media platforms. Instagram, my beauty Instagram is iFancyCupcakes. My planner Instagram is Hearts in a Plan. My planner YouTube channel is Hearts in a Plan as well. And follow me on Like to Know It to shop all of my daily like fashion looks and stuff, as well as home decor. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.